Hey everyone, Jonathan Smith here with Vermeer Southeast in our Marietta showroom today, but I wanted to talk about our upcoming HDD Fundamentals 2-day training that's coming up on January 28th and 29th. It's right around the corner, so what I want you guys to do is go on VermeerSoutheast.com, click on the Events and Training tab at the top right-hand corner and go ahead and register for this class. We're going to be going over a ton of stuff. Obviously, we got some HDD tooling in the background. We're going to be talking about your correct tooling that we need to be using out in the field. We're going to be talking about our maintenance stuff. So we got our sub savers, our thread gauges, all that good kind of stuff. We have a live interactive demo on drilling fluids that we're going to be doing. It's really packed full of great stuff that's really going to help you guys efficiency out in the field. So like I said, go on the website, click on that Events and Training tab, sign up for the class. I can't wait to see you guys. On behalf of everybody here at Vermeer Southeast, have a safe and productive day.